Balik po tayo sa Palasyo ng Malacanang para po sa mga mahalagang balita mula roon. Nakatutok pa rin doon ang aming kasamang si Elena Luna. Elena?
Maraming salamat, Kirby. Tinanggap na ni Pangulong Aquino ang pagbibitiw sa pwesto ni PCD-SPO Secretary Ricky Carandang. Ang resignation ni Carandang ay inihayag ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda sa press con kanina. Ayon sa kalihim, hanggang December 31 na lamang si Secretary Carandang sa palasyo.
2 days ago, President Aquino accepted the resignation of Secretary Ricky Carandang, effective December 31, 2013. Secretary Carandang thanked the President for the chance to serve the administration and the country. The President also thanked him for his service to the country. Secretary Carandang's term of service came in the eventful first half of the Aquino presidency, where he worked behind the scenes and before the cameras to do his part to communicate the President's message. Secretary Carandang will return to the private sector after a short and well-deserved vacation. Following Secretary Carandang's departure from public service, Undersecretary Manolo Quezon, as the most senior official of the PCD-SPO, will oversee the office's operations. Thank you. Question.
Sa press con kanina, sinabi ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda na malungkot siya sa pag-alis sa palasyo ni Carandang. Sa kanila raw pag-uusap, sinabi raw ni Secretary Carandang na sa tingin niya ay nagawa na niya ang kanyang trabaho, kaya babalik na siya sa pribadong sektor.
I'm very sad with his departure, actually, because I've known Ricky for more than before we entered government. So I've known him as a good friend. I've known him as a very competent reporter when he was still in the private sector. I've known him to be a very able and a very strategic thinker in government. And so it really saddens me that he's leaving. But his desire to return to private sector was something he felt time to do.
May 2 pang linggo si Secretary Carandang para magsilbi sa gobyerno, ilan lamang sa kabilang sa kanyang pinagkakaabalahan sa natitirang mga araw niya sa gobyerno ang koordinasyon para sa gaganaping APEC Summit sa Pilipinas sa taong 2015. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang. Sa tulong ng RTVM, ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.